Ljubljana Forum on Future of Cities is about managing water and transport in building the future of city. So it means how to bring high-level policy issues like sustainable, smart, inclusive Europe by 2020, how to bring it into the real ground with the concrete projects.
It's very, very important to have events like this one where we can expose our ideas, have people to debate our ideas and cross-pollinize this knowledge across many other people in the world.
This year we choose the two topics that are of great relevance for having a nice, comfortable and efficient city, and those it's transport, was mentioned, and water. So, and the real issues is how cities transform from the not nice state of the art to the well-advanced city, measured by various indicators. And then what we identify in this forum this year is that leadership, first of all, political leadership is a major precondition for moving forward.
Letošnje teme sta temi, ki sta najbolj pomembni za razvoj mesta, in sicer vprašanje transporta, problem vsakega mesta in vprašanje čiste vode. In mislim, da so tudi govorci danes, tisti, ki so ali strokovnega področja ali iz dobre prakse glavnih mest in ostalih mest, ki so tu prisotni, pokazali, kam je usmerjena naša bodočnost. Pogled, rečni transport, zdravi način življenja, dati prednost kolesarjem, prednost pešcem pred avtomobili, dati javnemu prevozu prednost. To je želja vsakega župana in vesel sem to, da imamo vsi izjemno ambiciozne načrte.
I think it's very valuable that we can meet in Ljubljana and to discuss these problems from the different perspectives. If you look on the perspective from the side of Slovenia, Slovakia, Austria, Bulgaria, you can see that the similar problems that we face, all the cities are facing the similar problems of providing effectively the services to the citizens, that the solutions are not always the same.